little tidbit on the since you guys asked on the how we work on the sword. We got rotation, rotation of the wrist, rotation on the axis of the sword, rotation of the wrist, rotation of the elbow, rotation of the shoulder, basically rotation of the whole body. So we can work rotate, 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 rotate. We can do a whole bunch of different. But when we have an opponent sword there is so much we can work around that sword, okay? Without touching it. So if I go too close, if it comes for me, obviously, I'm touching there. If I go away from it, I need to move around that sword in a safe way. Ideally, giving something, and putting something in between, which will be my sword. So later on we talk about the winding, and we can wind depending on the side we are on the sword, on different ways, and that would be on the answer over the sword, okay? So touching the swords. We got ways to go around rotating and gravitating through the sword, which may use larger or smaller movements. Problem is, the larger the movement, the more energy you need, the stronger probably the strike, the more force the strike will generate, which feels pretty good. But then a smaller movement will take less time, and it will gain the initiative. So we try to train working with that point. And we can do it in different ways. We can have like a fixed point in space, and we work around that. So like we go as close as we can without touching, going both ways, extending the arms. You can use something dumb like this. We used to use like a Wing Chun green, and we will change direction, trying to transmit that energy to the front of the sword, which is pretty difficult when you don't practice it all the time. Changing direction. So the smoother it goes, the easier it gets. The less smoother it goes, the more wonky it will look, okay? And we can practice that around the sword. And it doesn't have to be a sword. Probably we will need something more stable. And that's like an example of one of the many exercises we can work with to play with that that set of skills. Thank you so much, and thank you for asking.